Intelligence. That's what drives the world today. Even as you are watching this, gadgets are becoming smarter, cars more intelligent. Knowledge and the power to process it is driving the way we work, live, play. And keeping pace with this change, our human institutions, organizations are becoming more streamlined, more knowledge-driven. Educational institutes are becoming smarter. Even manpower is becoming more skilled, more proficient, more intelligent. So what we need are solutions that power this knowledge revolution, this evolution to a smarter, more intelligent world. Talent Edge, powering the knowledge revolution. Talent Edge is committed to fueling this change, inspiring this transformation. With its enterprise learning services, Talent Edge partners with organizations to help make their workforce more skilled, more efficient, more up-to-date with technology. With its university learning services, Talent Edge helps extend the world's finest bouquet of higher education offerings from universities of repute. Knowledge seekers thus have access to affordable education at their doorstep. Through its retail network, Talent Edge trains thousands of students on cutting-edge domain and technologies to groom them into the most sought-after professionals in the industry. And this expertise is not limited by national boundaries. Talent Edge has an international presence, making quality education accessible across the globe in countries where professional training is the need of the hour.
We at Talent Edge are in the business of transformation, of providing organizations, people and educational institutions the edge in their respective fields to help improve their performance and become more competitive. The key is to enhance human capital by empowering them with skills, knowledge and intelligence.
Is all about realizing potential and optimizing performance. It's about raising the bar in excellence and efficiency, helping individuals and organizations reach new heights of achievement.
The knowledge leadership we're establishing at Talent Edge will go a long way in helping us as a company to explore new grounds. In the future, we'll be focusing our energies on sectors and industries which are knowledge driven, like pharmaceuticals, healthcare, and of course technology.
Talent Edge, your edge.